Congress MP Shashi Tharoor today argued against the practice of death penalty in India. His comments came in the backdrop of execution of Yaqub Memon, a convict in the 1993 serial Mumbai blast which killed 257 people and injured close to 700 others. Tharoor said studies have proved that death penalties have never deterred terror acts or attacks, so the provision should be scrapped from the legal system of India.
My position is that the death penalty is wrong in principle and practice, that there have been a lot of studies, including conducted by the National University in Delhi, which have confirmed that the death penalty has no deterrent effect. All the statistics and proof suggest that. Therefore, it becomes an exercise in revenge, retribution, an eye for an eye. That is not worthy of a modern state. So I just feel that it is wrong. There are many thinkers, lawyers, constitutionalists who have urged that the death penalty should be scrapped. The Law Commission conducted consultations, of which I was also a part. We were almost unanimous, and there was only one dissenting voice the whole day. I think that ultimately we have to look at whether our society and our state should be in the business of taking human life. That is all I want to say.
You were not referring...
With people expressing conflicting opinion on whether Memon's hanging had merit, Tharoor said that he was not commenting on one specific case.
The merits of the case are for the Supreme Court, not for anybody outside the Supreme Court. It is the principle that matters and the practice.
Powered by NNIS.